Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Exploring the is_unique function in Python pandas. Introduction. Python pandas is a powerful library widely used for data manipulation and analysis. One useful function provided by pandas is is_unique, which helps you determine whether the elements in a pandas object, such as a series or data frame, are unique. In this tutorial, we will explore the is_unique function and provide code examples to illustrate its usage. The is_unique function is a boolean attribute in pandas that can be applied to series and data frame objects. It returns true if all elements in the object are unique and false otherwise. This function is handy for checking the uniqueness of values within a pandas structure. Let's start by exploring how is_unique works with a pandas series. We'll create a simple example to illustrate its usage. In this example, is_unique will return true because all elements in the unique underscore series are distinct. Now, let's look at a scenario where the series has duplicate values. In this case, is_unique will return false since there are duplicate elements in the duplicate underscore series. Similarly, you can use is_unique with pandas data frames to check the uniqueness of values across columns or within a specific column. In this example, is_unique will return false since the name column contains duplicate values. The is_unique function in pandas is a valuable tool for quickly checking whether the elements in a series or data frame are unique. Incorporating this function into your data analysis workflow can help ensure data integrity and identify potential issues related to duplicate values. ChatGPT. The is_unique method in pandas is a powerful and handy tool for checking the uniqueness of values in a pandas object, such as a series or data frame. This method returns a boolean value indicating whether the elements in the object are unique or not. In this tutorial, we will explore the is_unique method, understand its syntax, and provide practical examples to demonstrate its usage. Before diving into the tutorial, make sure you have pandas installed. You can install it using the following command. The is_unique method is typically used with pandas series and data frames. Here's the general syntax. Let's go through some examples to better understand how to use the is_unique method. In this example, we create a simple series with consecutive integers. The is_unique method is then applied to check whether all elements in the series are unique. The result will be true in this case. In this example, we create a data frame with columns name, age, and city. The apply method is used to apply the is_unique check to each column individually. The result will be a series of boolean values indicating whether each column has unique elements. The is_unique method is a valuable tool in pandas for checking the uniqueness of elements in a series or data frame. It can be useful for data validation and quality control. Make sure to incorporate it into your data analysis workflows when dealing with pandas objects. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding and using the is_unique function in Python pandas. Introduction. Python pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. One of the many useful functions it provides is is_unique, which allows you to check if the values in a pandas series or data frame are unique. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the is_unique function with practical code examples. Before using pandas, ensure that it is installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using the following command. Once installed, import pandas in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. For illustration purposes, let's create a sample data frame with duplicate and unique values. The is_unique function can be applied to a pandas series to check if its values are unique. Let's use it on a specific column of our data frame. To check uniqueness across the entire data frame, use the is_unique function on the data frame directly. Now, let's use the is_unique function to filter out duplicate rows from the data frame. The is_unique function in pandas is a handy tool for checking the uniqueness of values in a series or data frame. It can be particularly useful for data cleaning and validation tasks. Incorporate this function into your pandas workflows to ensure data integrity and identify duplicate values effectively. This tutorial covers the basics of using is_unique with practical examples. Experiment with it in your own projects to gain a deeper understanding of its capabilities and how it can enhance your data analysis workflows. ChatGPT